Are you struggling to sleep in a noisy environment? A white noise machine might be the solution you need. It creates soothing sounds that block out distractions, helping you relax and sleep better. If you are looking for the best white noise machine available in the market, then here are the top 5 excellent options that we found. Be sure to check out the description below. The 5th product on this list is the Dreamegg Sunrise One. The Dreamegg Sunrise One is an innovative device designed to improve your sleep and wake-up experience. It combines a sunrise alarm clock with a white noise machine, offering a soothing and natural way to start and end your day. The unique feature of this product is its ability to simulate a gentle sunrise, gradually brightening the room, and pairing it with nature sounds, which helps you wake up naturally without the harshness of a traditional alarm clock. This product is ideal for anyone looking to enhance their sleep routine. The Dreamegg Sunrise One comes with 29 different soothing sounds, including nature sounds, lullabies, and various types of white noise. Whether you're an adult, child, or even a baby, these calming sounds help create a peaceful environment that promotes deep, restful sleep. Additionally, the Dreamegg Sunrise One features a dimmable nightlight with 9 color options, allowing you to choose a soft, ambient light that complements your relaxation. The light's brightness is adjustable, giving you control over your bedtime atmosphere. Another great benefit is that this device is easy to set up without the need for an app or Wi-Fi. It's compact and portable, making it a great choice for travel. Crafted with a soft cotton linen fabric, it's both gentle and stylish, making it a perfect bedside companion. The Dreamegg Sunrise One is an excellent addition to any bedroom, promoting better sleep and a more peaceful morning routine. The 4th product on this list is the Loftie Clock. The Loftie Clock is a smart alarm clock designed to improve your sleep experience and morning routine. Its sleek, modern design has earned it numerous accolades, including recognition as one of Time magazine's best inventions of 2024. The clock is not just an alarm, but a complete sleep companion, featuring a built-in relaxing sound machine with over 100 tracks. These include calming sounds such as white noise, nature sounds, and meditations, perfect for unwinding before bed or enhancing sleep quality. One standout feature of the Loftie Clock is its 2-phase alarm system. The first phase gently wakes you up with soft sounds, followed by a louder alarm to help you get out of bed. This gradual wake-up process aligns with your body's natural rhythms, making mornings less jarring and more pleasant. For those seeking a phone-free sleep environment, the Loftie Clock offers a blackout mode. By holding the snooze button, you can enjoy a complete lights-out experience, removing distractions for a more peaceful night's rest. The clock is designed for a simple setup. Just plug it in, connect to Wi-Fi, and you're ready to go. Plus, with the free companion app, you can access a wide range of content, including bedtime stories, affirmations, and wellness tracks, all available on both iOS and Android. Whether you're looking to enhance relaxation or start your day more smoothly, the Loftie Clock is an excellent addition to any bedroom. Still haven't found the best white noise machine for your needs? Keep on watching because the next 3 products will surely blow your mind. If this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for the latest reviews of techs you can't live without. The 3rd product on this list is the Hatch Restore 2. The Hatch Restore 2 is designed to help you create the perfect environment for better rest. This digital device combines a range of features that enhance your sleep routine. One of its key functions is the ability to mask background noises, offering a variety of soothing sounds, including white noise, pink noise, and nature-inspired tones. These sounds help block out distractions, allowing you to sleep more deeply and peacefully. The Hatch Restore 2 also includes a gentle sunrise alarm, which gradually wakes you up by mimicking the natural progression of light, supporting a smoother start to your day. This feature aligns with your body's natural circadian rhythm, reducing the abruptness of traditional alarms. Plus, the clock's dimmable display lets you customize the level of light in your room, ensuring you can maintain a calm, dark space perfect for rest. Designed for ease of use, the Hatch Restore 2 is simple to control with a single button that starts your nightly routine or turns off the morning alarm. You can also personalize your experience with the Hatch app, which is available on both iOS and Android devices. This app allows you to access additional sleep sounds and create custom routines tailored to your needs. The second product on this list is the Yogasleep Duet. The Yogasleep Duet is designed to help improve your sleep quality by creating a peaceful, calming environment. This modern device combines several useful features in one sleek design, making it a perfect addition to any bedside. One of the standout features of the Duet is its wireless speaker functionality. You can easily stream your favorite sleep soundtrack, podcast, or music directly from your smartphone to the Duet speaker. This allows you to customize your sleep environment with sounds that help you relax and unwind. The Duet offers 30 non-looping sounds, providing a variety of calming options to suit different preferences. It includes 2 signature dome sounds, fan noises, white noise, brown noise, pink noise, nature sounds, relaxation tracks, and even calming lullabies. Additionally, you can set a sleep timer to automatically turn off the device after 45 minutes, 90 minutes, or 8 hours, helping you fall asleep without worrying about turning it off. For those with infants or young children, the Duet features a warm amber nightlight with adjustable brightness, perfect for nighttime feedings or soothing your little one to sleep. Overall, the Yogasleep Duet is a versatile and stylish device that combines the benefits of a sound machine, wireless speaker, and nightlight in one convenient unit, keeping your bedside area tidy while enhancing your sleep experience. Before we reveal the top white noise machine on this list, be sure to check out the description below for the newest and best deals on each of these items. And don't forget to subscribe if you want the latest news on the best products on the market. Finally, our top white noise machine is the SNOOZ Breez. The SNOOZ Breez is a versatile white noise machine designed to enhance your comfort and improve your sleep quality. With its modern, sleek white color and electric fan design, it combines 2 essential functions, cooling and sound. It's perfect for use in various rooms, including bedrooms, kitchens, living rooms, dorm rooms, and home offices. One of the standout features of the SNOOZ Breez is its ability to provide powerful whole-room cooling. The hybrid fan impeller pushes out an impressive 380 CFM of air, which can circulate cool air across large spaces, up to 80 feet. This makes it an excellent choice for maintaining a comfortable environment during hot weather. Additionally, it offers independent control of air and sound, allowing you to adjust the cooling and white noise separately. The device operates quietly with 10 fan settings, powered by an energy-efficient brushless DC motor. You can also adjust the white noise with 10 different settings, ensuring a peaceful environment for sleep or relaxation. A temperature-sensing auto mode ensures the fan turns on when the room gets too hot, helping you maintain comfort through the night. The SNOOZ Breez also comes with a remote control and smart features that allow you to set schedules or control it from a distance via the app. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. And if you can't wait for the next video, check out these 2 that we think you love. We'll see you guys in the next fantastic techs you can't live without videos.